Good day, folks. Welcome to Week 2, Summer 2021 Financial Statement Analysis. You should have completed and complete this week Module 1 and Module 2. In Module 1, the key themes are, what are the mega themes? What are these themes that will be influencing us for the future? What are some of the disruptors and how are they important when developing strategy? How do current economic conditions impact the ability of a firm to implement that strategy? And then what is policy and why is it important? Fundamental foundations, the basics. How does a firm make money? The details. This is really hard and not as easy as it seems. Relationship of strategy to financial results and forecasts. Project 1. And the objective of this project is for you to apply concepts discussed to a real company using real data. Your financial analysts. At the end, you're going to you will have a complete financial report and analysis. So you'll be analyzing financial statements and how it all ties together in a forward-looking way. We're going to be doing a deep dive into the company's strategies, financial results, and then forecast and value the company. Application project 1 is worth 12 points, 12% of your grade. And there are 4 distinct parts of the project, and the points for each section are identified for each part. It is important for you to listen to the instructions and look at the samples that are out there so you can do a great job. It's due no later than 11:59 on Tuesday, June 1st. Wow, that's a throwback. June 1st. The submission format is PowerPoint with an audio and or video commentary to explain things and what it means. I'm finding that the more you have to know it. If you just write it, it isn't as powerful as you talking about it. And don't read the slides, okay? I can read, but explain things to me. And you're going to take this project, this company, and you're going to work on all 3 projects. You can start it once you complete Module 2, but you need to do that. Grading, how will the project be grading? Organization and presentation, 25%. Communication in both oral and written demonstrates an understanding, okay? Accuracy of computation and formulas is 25. Yeah, we need to be accurate, but it's how we present it. Next one, clarity and depth of responses. A lot of times when you're starting out, what's going to happen is you're going to make statements explaining and defining something. I know what all these definitions are, but how deep do you go? Are you really asking another question? Okay? Do you really understand it? Ask a question to go one step further. And you'll see that in some of the samples that are out there. How have you put all the topics together? We're telling a story. How does one area impact another? How do they relate to each other? Well, what company will you be working on? Well, you can pick from some of them I have out here. FedEx, Boeing, Valero, Bed Bath & Beyond, or pick your own. You're welcome to select another company, but encouraged to if you'd like. But make sure we chat first so that we know that it'll come together and work. The purpose of our applying FSA in real time is to understand how financial statement analysis is applied in real time based on real companies and issues they face today in summer 2021. There's 2 components. The first one is article review and presentation. The second is to participate in presentations real time. So there's 2 pieces to it. Okay, the first piece is you get a partner, and many of you have done that, but if you haven't, please get me the names. Email them to me. I'll send you an article. You review the article. Then what you do is you prepare a 10 to 15 presentation discussion. Notice I have the word presentation, but also discussion. It's a discussion. So you're going to look at it as what is the article saying, very short. What are the key issues or points? How will it impact FSA? How will it change the way things are done? How will it impact you and I? Use PowerPoint, Prezi, or something similar. This will be presented in live time, and we can schedule a time to review so that we can engage as many people as possible. One of the things I'd like to suggest that when we're looking at these articles and talking about them, we look at say, mean, manner. So say, this is a summary of what the texts are actually saying. What does the text say? What happened? Okay, then what does it mean? That's the interpretation. Ask questions. How do you know that? The last one is matter. What are the implications? What are the potential outcomes or results? Why does it matter? Everything we're looking at has to matter. If it doesn't matter, you got to say, well, why are we looking at it? Why is it important? What's the significance? So, what does it say? What does it mean? What does it matter? You need to participate in four other discussions. The first opportunity will be this Thursday, June 3rd at 8 a.m. in the morning. Thursday, June 3rd at 1 p.m. Click here to join the event. Now, so you have to participate in four, so make sure you start early, get them out of the way. But here's two that'll be some good discussions this coming Thursday, and hopefully next week we can schedule a number more. What modules, some of you guys have asked, well, how do I know if I'm on pace? How do I pace myself if I want to try to get stuff done? Well, let's look at it. What modules need to be completed before you complete application project 2? That's module 3 and 4. Okay? What modules need to be completed between application project 3? Module 6 and 7. So that's the sequence that you need to make. You know the dates these are due, so you can now figure what do you have to do in order to allow yourself enough time. The projects do take time to do. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't start this project if it's due on June 1st. Hopefully you're not starting it at 8 o'clock at night. For project 3, it's module 6 and 7. Quiz 1 will be module 1 and 2. Quiz 3 will be module 3 and 5. If you have any questions, it is important for you to reach out to me and that we can talk about them. Please don't wait. If something doesn't make sense, feel free to call. And if you reach out, we can have some discussion, we have some dialogue. So I look forward to looking to some great projects this week. Best week.